my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'd like to thank Fluid Art Co. for inviting me to participate in the December Piggy Switcheroo. There are 26 artists who are collaborating over the next 2 weekends in premiere trains. I hope you'll join us for all of them. And, you know, of course, we're all painting with this little piggy pigments, but the fun part is that we're all switching or trading videos. So the person that you see painting here is not me. Let's see if you can guess who it is by the end of this video. If you have a guess, make sure you comment and leave it in the comments below. So I'll give you a few hints along the way. So while I've been chatting, she has been showing us the colors that she's using. She's got Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple as her base coat, and also DecoArt 24 Karat Gold. Both of those colors she told me she mixed with Floetrol and water only. And then for her This Little Piggy Pigments, she's using 4 colors. She's got Prey Night, Mermaid, Violet Rain, and Crescendo. And her TLPs were dispersed in Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish, and then mixed with Floetrol. So it's a gorgeous color palette, and I'm not surprised because she's one of the OGs of Fluid Art. I'm very lucky to have drawn her in the trades here, and I'm very honored to have her video on my channel. But she also sells a set of Fluid Art inspiration cards. I think that's probably the best hint that I can give you about who this artist is. But also keep an eye on this base coat color. It's very dark and reflective, so you may see her face a couple of times in the reflection. So she's showing us our consistency here, and the if you think of the consistencies as a chart from like 5 to 1, 5 being the thickest and 1 being the thinnest, this would be about a number 2. It does leave a slight mound when it's drizzled from the stir stick, but it disappears fairly quickly. So that is the consistency she's using, and she's going to be doing a Dutch pour, but she's using, instead of a hair dryer, she's using an airbrush. This is not a technique that you see on her channel very often. I think she's trying to keep us guessing about who it is. She's definitely switched it up with this, but it is a gorgeous color palette, and this Dutch pour turns out amazing. So I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to put on some music so you can enjoy her process, and I will come back at the end and close this out and introduce the next person in the video train.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. our way. Route 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you.
So now we come to the wet results. Isn't it beautiful? These colors are fantastic, but I really love the composition she has here. She left these big, beautiful, juicy boulder cells form naturally, and then she blew out some other sections to give it more of a floral look and wispier. Those TLPs are glistening and glimmering and shining. It's going to be gorgeous when it dries. And Yeah, I think this is a spectacular piece. I hope you like it too. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Sara Taylor is next in the premiere train. I'll have that playlist in the video description. And thank you very much once again. Now go mix up some paints and be fearless.